Hello and welcome back to Ask Dr. Jeff. Today, in our continuing coverage of automobile insurance, I'm going to speak about MedPay, also known as medical payments coverage. Now, this is an optional coverage you can take when you take out your car insurance. Here's the problem. Many people don't know about it. Many people don't know it exists. The agents aren't offering it or the way they should and not explaining it. So most people never take this great option to have. So here's how it works. In Florida, we all pay to have mandatory coverage called no fault or personal injury protection. That covers you for $10,000 of medical bills with some stipulations, as you can see in my previous Ask Dr. Jeff video. But we get $10,000 of coverage mandatory, and we have to pay for that. That's called personal injury protection. But that covers your bills at only 80%, which leaves you with a 20% bill. So there's another option called medical payments coverage. This is an additional coverage you purchase. It costs maybe $8 to $10 a month, depending on how much you take. If you take a little more, it might cost a little more. It comes in increments of about $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, or $20,000 of extra coverage. I actually have $100,000 of extra coverage, but not many companies are offering that these days. So instead of having the basic $10,000 of coverage, if you get medical payments, you can have an additional $10,000, so now you have $20,000 of coverage. The cool thing about medical payments coverage, or MedPay, is that it picks up the 20% that your basic personal injury protection doesn't cover. So if you have a $100 bill at the doctor, PIP pays $80 and MedPay will pay $20. If you run out of no fault or personal injury benefits, if you use all $10,000, then your medical payments coverage kicks in and pays 100% of the doctor bills from that point on. So it's a great coverage to have. It protects you and your family from medical bills, and it's something you should really consider because it's very, very affordable and very, very important to have in the state of Florida, the way the insurance is here. So that's it. Ask your agent about medical payments coverage, find out how much it is, and get yourself some and protect your family. Thank you for tuning in to today's Ask Dr. Jeff, and remember, your back is our business.